Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. We were going through lesson number 3, pronouns, and in that we have finished 3 types of pronouns. The personal pronouns, in that the subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. Then we finished possessive pronoun, and then we have finished demonstrative pronoun as well as demonstrative adjective. Today we will take the fourth one, interrogative pronouns. Now, interrogative, you know it from beginning onwards, from the class 3, 4 onwards, that interrogative means question. Okay, the interrogative sentence pronouns are those which use with a question. That is, now pronouns such as who, whose, which and what that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Simple as that. Okay, the words such as who, whose, what and which are used to ask the questions are known as interrogative pronoun. Examples: who are you, what is your name, which dress do you like, whose pen is this. So they all are asking questions. So it's simple. If you see the fill in the blanks, the exercise, fill in the blanks with appropriate interrogative pronouns. The first one, who wants to work, who. Second one, what is the medium of instruction, what. Third one, who is the owner of this pen. Fourth one, what are you doing this weekend. Fifth one, which would you prefer, pink or blue. And the last one, what are you looking for. Understood? So do it in your book. The next one is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive means what? Coming back. Okay, reflexing yourself, reflects back. When you see in the mirror, what do you see? You see your own reflection, so coming back to you. The pronouns such as myself, herself, yourself, itself always refer to the subject in a sentence and are called reflexive pronoun. Okay, all these words, myself, yourself, itself, themselves, reflects to the subject back. That's why they are known as reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object refer to the same person. Okay, reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object refer to the same person. I myself has done, or I will do this work myself. I will do this work myself. So I and myself, both are same person. As examples, Zeba managed to save herself. We must boost ourselves during times of crisis. So in the sentences above, the pronouns herself, ourselves and yourselves refer to Zeba, we and you respectively. Now if you see the chart here, first person singular, I, myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself, they're the same thing. Now empathetic pronouns are used to put emphasis on the subject. Their form is the same as the reflexive pronoun. So empathetic is the same. Now Gayatri has said, now difference is that this emphatic pronouns comes immediately after the noun. Okay, after the subject. The emphatic pronoun comes immediately. I, myself. So myself is here what? Emphatic. I will do it myself. That is reflexive pronoun. Got it? That is the thing. So in the above examples, the words herself and yourself are used to put emphasis on the doer of the action, that is the subject. So it comes along with the subject. Okay, emphatic pronoun always comes along with the subject, whereas the reflexive pronoun comes afterwards. Okay, as the object. Okay, as the object, not the emphatic. Clear? Did you get this? Okay, emphatic comes immediately after the subject. He himself. Raju himself. So this is emphatic. Whereas the reflexive is what? Raju wants to do this work himself. See, both are different. Understood? So let us practice. Put the circle around the pronoun in each sentences. So that is easy. You can find it easily. Do it. Okay. The next one is distributive pronouns. Okay, distributive pronouns. Now, distributive pronouns such as each, either or neither refer to a person or things taken as a unit. Okay, as a unit. Each of them took turns to help out with the project. Either of you can take the free passes. neither of you. So they are all depends on the each person, every person. So distributive pronoun for every person it comes. The next is indefinite pronoun, a pronoun that refer to persons or things in a general way. These things are not definite, specific, or exact. Okay, indefinite. They are not definite. They are not exact. Any amount can be. Anyone can solve this problem. Many enjoy traveling. So it's not that one particular person or a group. Anybody for that matter. It's for indefinite. Okay, you cannot count that much. So please do the exercise. The next is relative pronouns. Okay, relative pronouns such as who, which, that, whom, whose, what, that link a phrase or clause to another in a sentence are called relative pronouns. Okay, they relate one clause to other clause or one phrase to another phrase. Okay, when they link, as example, the boy who came with my father. Okay, who came with my father. That is a phrase joining the clause. Okay, together. So they are known as relative pronouns. Now, compound words such as whoever, whomsoever, whatever, whichever are also examples of the relative pronouns. Compound words. Compound words means what? Words made by two words. Okay, one word, compound word is made by two words. Okay, what's as it is given, whoever, who and ever. Two words, different words made one becomes compound words. Then relative pronouns such as who and whose are always used to refer to animate subjects. Okay, animate subjects, who and whose. Whom is used to refer to an object of a verb or a preposition. Which is used for animate and inanimate subjects. That can be used for both animate and inanimate subject. What is used when no antecedent is mentioned. It is used for things, usually to mean the thing which. Okay, so these are the ways how to use these relative pronouns. Okay, animate and inanimate, which are living and non-living things. Both can be used. Now, relative pronouns placement, where we have to place the relative pronouns. The relative pronoun should be placed as close to its antecedent as possible. It should be placed just close to the antecedent, to about whom we are talking. Okay, as the thief was caught by the police who stole the diamond. Okay, who stole the diamond? Police caught. So it is close. It is wrong. We should not do that. Okay, who stole? Because in this case, what will happen? Who stole here? Police stole. We will understand. So that is wrong. It should be the thief who stole the diamond. Understood? So it should come into the right place. Okay, don't put at the anywhere as you feel like. No, then the meaning will change. Okay, as in the example given. No, the thief was caught by the police who stole the diamond. So what happened? The police was caught. Okay, who had stolen the diamond. That will become the meaning. So here we have to change the antecedent. We have to place it right place. That is the thief who stole. Then omission. Relative pronouns omission, we can even omit the relative pronouns in certain cases. The person to whom I dedicate this book is my mother. The train by which we often travel. So we can even remove the person I dedicate this book to is my mother. Or the train we often travel by is the Rajdhani Express. So I hope you might have understood the relative pronouns. Then the joining sentences, receiving a prize for saving the dog. I want to meet. This is my mobile. So this is my mobile phone, which or that does not work. It's joining two sentences. So I believe you might have understood this chapter pronoun. Please do all the exercises in your book. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.